So here we are again. We've seen almost the entire Pixel 10 series, but there's one missing piece until now. Meet the Pixel 10 Pro Fold. Leaked renders just dropped, and while it looks familiar, there are a few small but notable tweaks. Let's break it all down and see if this is the foldable upgrade we've been waiting for. If you love all things Pixel, Android, and tech, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It helps me out a ton, and you'll stay up to date on everything Google has coming. Now let's get into it. First up, let's talk size. The Pixel 10 Pro Fold is expected to measure 155.2 x 150.4 x 5.3 millimeters when unfolded. That's just a tiny bit thicker and wider than the Pixel 9 Pro Fold, but honestly, you'd need a ruler and a magnifying glass to notice. What does that mean for accessories? Well, there's a good chance that cases and accessories from the Pixel 9 Pro Fold will still fit, which is a win if you're upgrading. One of the only real design changes is the SIM tray's new position. It's moving to the top of the phone. This tweak makes room for dual speakers on the bottom frame, which should improve audio quality. Even if one of those cutouts is just a better microphone, it's still a solid upgrade. Better sound? Yes, please. Now, let's talk about those extra cutouts next to the power and volume buttons. Are they extra buttons? Probably not. More likely, they're antenna cutouts or just a design tweak for symmetry. Let me know what you think in the comments. As for the screens, no huge surprises. The Pixel 10 Pro Fold is expected to have an 8-inch internal display and a 6.3-inch cover display, both at 120Hz refresh rates. Resolution details are still unknown, but we're expecting something similar to the previous model's Full HD Plus outer display. Under the hood, the Pixel 10 Pro Fold is rumored to pack Google's new TSMC-built Tensor G5 chipset. This should bring better efficiency and performance. Storage options, likely starting at 256 GB, going up to 512 GB. No word yet on a 1 TB option, but if Google's serious about making this a pro device, it should definitely be an option. The camera system looks nearly identical to last year's model, at least based on these renders. If nothing changes, expect a 48mm main sensor, a 10.8mm 5x telephoto, and a 10.5mm ultra-wide. Selfie cameras will likely stay at 10mm for both the inner and outer displays. Google's software magic will help with image quality. But here's the thing. If you're paying a premium price, shouldn't you get an upgraded camera system? At the very least, I'm hoping for 8K video recording this year. The Pixel 9 Pro Fold was stuck at 4K, which felt outdated for a pro device. Come on, Google, give us that upgrade. No confirmed battery details yet, but the Pixel 9 Pro Fold had a 4650 mAh battery. Decent, but not amazing. Hopefully Google squeezes in a little extra capacity this time. And pricing? That's still a mystery, but rumors suggest a modest price reduction. I'll believe it when I see it. The Pixel 9 Pro Fold launched at $1,799, but later dropped to around $1,500 with discounts. If Google can get the 10 Pro Fold closer to $1,400, it might actually be a competitive option in the foldable market. Based on last year's timeline, we can expect the Pixel 10 Pro Fold to launch in August, with pre-orders starting soon after. Hopefully, Google doesn't stagger the release like last time and just lets people buy the phone right away. Overall, the Pixel 10 Pro Fold seems to be more of an incremental update rather than a major redesign. But is that a good thing or a bad thing? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. That's it for now. Make sure to subscribe for more Pixel 10 series leaks, news, and reviews. Until next time, I'll catch you later.